Type right.
What are we doing, Tom?
We're going out
What are we going out on?
the boat, but apparently this time I've got to be all happy and go lucky. Was that happy go lucky?
No, sarcastic.
Oh. Damn! I still got my sarcastic shoes on.
We'll see. Ethel wants to get into this bit of the video. Oh, should I get into all of them? We thought we'd do a what went well and what didn't go well about today's little cruise. We showed you the intro. We're going out for a cruise, and it didn't go particularly well, did it?
Right, it was a little bit windy. Ethel
Well, that's an
kind of
understatement.
pretty much fell in the canal, but
Oh yeah, but before that,
what was before that?
well, it took us. There will be edited highlights. It took us 13 minutes to get out of the marina. We were blown sideways across the front of a load of boats.
We didn't hit any of them.
No, amazingly, we didn't actually make contact, but there were lots of curtains twitching. So that was one bit of fun. And then we got to the first lock, and we did a Timothy West and played lock pinball, didn't we? Well, I did.
I was going to say, excuse me, I was on the lock doing an amazing job.
It's difficult when you've got a horrendous bywash coming in at 90 degrees and a swirling wind. Oh, hello.
You gone Theresa May on me?
I've gone all Theresa May on him. And a swirling wind. Swirling wind. So we smashed away into that lock, didn't we? And then we smashed away into the next lock. I think we've only done 5 locks, and I think we smashed away into 3 of them.
3 of them. The walls, not actually the actual locks.
Yeah, just the brickwork, just
anyway.
the important bit. So that wasn't a good bit. And then we came round a blind bend with a tree sticking out on our side, and there were 3 boats in a line, all going a bit rather quickly.
The third one wasn't, to be honest.
No, he did manage to stop. It was quite obvious.
He was in control of his vessel.
Anyway, we nearly, even though we were on the offside, we nearly ended up on the towpath, trying to avoid the collision.
Anyway, and then Ethel nearly fell in the canal.
Oh, and then, no, she did fall in the canal.
Half of her body.
Well,
she had a body wash.
I think she was up to the shoulder blades. To me, that's... I think she would agree with you that was falling in the canal.
And she was in every lump trying to pull her out.
So other than that...
So then, everything was going great. But because of the wind was getting a bit too much, and because we were hungry, and because we decided to let the boat behind us go. Because I opened the it's gone.
Lift bridge.
I opened the lift bridge, you went through, and then we let the person behind because you were going to go and
No, that's when we got the canopy folded onto the roof of the boat.
Yeah.
And the tripod was on top of the canopy, and the wind got up to such an extent that it lifted the canopy up in the air. I caught the tripod with the camera on it, but the canopy was obstructing my vision, and I said, enough's enough. So we're in Wrenbury, which is a beautiful village.
It's been as usual, it's all about the job. Right, while he was having his little catastrophe, I'm not exactly skinny. Alright, I'm quite fat. But anyway, I slipped on a little bit of a break.
Oh yeah.
Nearly fell into the canal.
Yeah.
Banged my head, banged my shoulder, banged my wrist, banged my hip. There's a lot of banging going on. But anyway, right? Really hurt myself. Managed to get myself to the boat. I told Buggerlugs what had happened. And he went, oh, okay.
No, I didn't. I said I'd just been talking to that man and woman and they saw you fall over.
That was afterwards.
Oh, okay.
When I first hobbled down, I told you, you didn't say, are you okay? And he just went, oh, okay.
Well, how much concern do you expect after 15 years?
See what I have to put up with. Anyway, right, at some point, I'm not really sure when, but I want to start doing a little bit of, because a lot of people on narrowboats do like food and stuff like that, and I know, even though I'm fat,
I was going to say, you're not telling anybody you don't know anything
no,
about
but
food.
I don't know about cooking or anything. I know how to open a pie and eat a pie, but I don't know how to do gourmet.
You're Olympic standard at that, aren't you?
You're such a bitch. Anyway, right. One thing I do know about is technology-ish, to a point anyway. But anyway,
there's a boat coming.
I like gadgets and I like buying things.
And they're all getting awfully close to us.
Yeah, no, but John, you've had your say. I feel like we're on Jamie Kyle now, you know. Imagine he's been cancelled.
Oh my god.
Alright, someone just rubbed past us, you know, they're just showing a bit of love. Ish. Bloody hell, that is close.
Yep.
And
that
fast.
Is, and it's got a spaniel on it.
Do you know, if we'd have had our swan hatch open then,
the dog would have been in.
Because it was hanging up. But anyway, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing some like tech reviews and things like just...
Nobody watches us.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm still going to do it.
Okay.
But anyway, I'm going to do gadgets like power banks, night vision goggles. Oh my god, they are the best thing ever. Anyway, but that's that.
Shall we draw this to an end now and just put little bits of canal video in it?
Yeah, but I'm still going to put some technology stuff on.
Oh, okay. Right, we're going now.
Yeah.
Oh, no, there's something else to report, technology-wise. First time ever, we've been here, 4 hours? And we've got a fridge, and we've got a freezer, and we've got loads of electrical gadgets.
The solar panels are working, big deal.
We haven't used any electricity, because, well, the sun's gone in now. But
that's not true, though. But I thought you like things to be true. We have used some, but we've also topped...
We haven't depleted our supply. On that note, enjoy the videos.
Bye.
just getting up a bit. We just nearly lost the camera because it was mounted on a tripod sitting on top of the canopy, and as I came under that lift bridge trying to see where the wind's swirling around, trying to pass that more boat, the canopy lifted up in the air along with the camera, and I couldn't see where I was going and we nearly lost the camera. So it's time for lunch. We may go a bit further. We are in the beautiful village of Rembley, so it's not a bad place to hunker down if we've got to. Narrowboat Potteries has taken a bit of a bashing today, so we may do some more later. We may just stay here.